Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we will discuss about geological time scale. Geological time scale. If you observe the Earth is formed before 4.5 billion years ago. 4.5 billion years ago means Earth is originated before 4000 million years ago. 1 billion equal to 1000 million. Hence, we can say that Earth is originated before 4500 million years ago or before 4.5 billion years ago. If you see these 4500 million years or 4.5 billion years, we can divide it into different eras. For better understanding, the age of Earth, we can divide it into different eras. Again, each era we can divide it into different periods. Each period again divided into different epochs. Then if you see the one by one about the geological time scale, we have to study from the starting. Earth is formed before 4.5 billion years ago. The first era, first we will see the era. The first era of Earth is Precambrian era. Precambrian era. Then second era is Paleozoic era. After Precambrian era, we can see the Paleozoic era. Next, after the Paleozoic era, we can see Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era. Then the present era, that is called as Cenozoic era. Cenozoic era. If you observe once again, starting era is Precambrian era. Next, Paleozoic era. After that, Mesozoic era. Then Cenozoic era. Present era is Cenozoic era. If you want any one quote to remember the names of eras, you can remember this sentence. Name of the sentence is press press the pale press the pale button to message the center. Press the pale button to message the center. First, PRE. In first word, you can see PRE. PRE means Precambrian era. Precambrian. First era. Next. Second, Paleozoic era. Pale means second era is Paleozoic era. Next, message. In message, MES. Mesozoic era. Mesozoic era. Center, CEN. First three letters in center, that is Cenozoic era. Cenozoic era. You can remember one sentence, that is press the pale button to message the center. To know about the sequence of the eras: Precambrian era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, and the Cenozoic era. If you observe the Precambrian era, one by one we have to see. Precambrian era, Earth originated before 4500 million years ago. 4500 million years ago to 541 million years ago. Means it is the largest era among the four eras, approximately which contain around 4000 million years. 4000 million years or 4 billion years, the Earth is in the Precambrian era. Again, Precambrian era we can subdivide it into again the Precambrian era we can divide it into different parts also, that is Proterozoic, Archaeozoic, Azoic. Azoic, starting Azoic, then Archaeozoic, after that Proterozoic. We can divide this Precambrian era into these three parts, because Azoic era we can see no life. Archaeozoic, we can see the first heterotrophic bacteria or archaebacteria. Proterozoic era, again we can see the formation of protozoans and all. Okay, if you see the major events which happen in the Precambrian era, first one, 4,500 million years ago, we can observe the origin of Earth. Or 4.5 billion years ago, we can see the origin of Earth. Starting era at the origin of Earth is Precambrian era. Then it took 500 million years for the appearance of first life. Life appeared, first life appeared 4 billion years ago or 4,000 million years ago. Next, in the same Precambrian era, before 3,000 million years ago or 3 billion years ago, we can see the formation of first non-cellular forms. First non-cellular forms of life appeared 3 billion years ago. Next, 2,000 million years ago or 2 billion years ago, we can see the formation of first cellular forms. First cellular forms are unicellular, prokaryotic, heterotrophic, anaerobes. They will do the anaerobic respiration. That first cellular forms are formed in 2,000 million years ago or 2 billion years ago. That is about first era called as Precambrian era. In next video, we will see the Paleozoic era.